Nothing transforms an outdoor space like patio lights. From intimate backyard gatherings to large outdoor events, patio lights add an air of festivity and magic. But there's no one-size-fits-all approach to hanging lights outside. It depends entirely on your space and how you want it to look. So if you're just getting started, we made this video to help you with both planning and installation. Before you begin, consider some popular patio light hanging styles. V-shaped, X-shaped, and W-shaped displays are popular because they're relatively easy to install and they look good. Patio string lights are also a good option for lighting displays with borders, like squares and grid patterns, or for creating displays that look like a ceiling of lights. More complicated designs include things like horizon point displays or maypole tent style displays. These light patterns look amazing, but they do take more time to plan and install. Once you have a general display idea in mind, start by identifying the permanent structures you'd like to attach your lights to. This can be things like the side of a home, decking, trees, or tall fence posts. Once you know your hanging locations, measure the distance between them to determine the total length of the patio lights you'll need. Then add a few extra feet to your measurements to give yourself enough slack for a little swag in your lights. There are a large number of hanging hardware options available in most home improvement stores that include things like heavy-duty C-hooks, J-hooks, Q-hangers, cable clamps, cable hangers, and other types of hanging hooks. Select the hook that you feel is best for your mounting surface in order to hold the tension of the string lights. And just a tip, pre-drilling pilot holes for your hooks or hangers can make it easier to install them into the hanging surface. When the hooks are in place, you can begin installing the string lights. If you're using C-hooks or J-hooks for events or temporary seasonal displays, consider wrapping the strings around each hook and then securing it with a zip tie if needed. If you're using cable clamps or other cable hangers, secure as needed based on the hook style. For large applications, guy wire can also be used to further support the weight of the string lights. Some string lights come with hanging grommets that this support wire can be passed through, but if your light strings do not have hanging grommets, you can use zip ties to affix the light string to the guy wire. If the space you'd like to light has no hanging surfaces, you'll have to create some. There are many options to consider, but the most simple options typically include using posts, often attached to other surfaces, or sunk into the ground to provide the support and hanging height needed. We hope this video helped answer some common questions you might have had about hanging patio lights.